A microscopic world teeming with life, where every creature plays a vital role in the ecosystem. In the heart of our planet, a world of astonishing diversity thrives, hidden from human sight. Every inch of soil, every drop of water, and every blade of grass is home to an intricate network of organisms. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest insects, each species has evolved to occupy a unique ecological niche. These tiny creatures may seem insignificant, but their impact on the environment is profound and far-reaching. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of genetic information, waiting to be unlocked by scientists. The secrets hidden within the microscopic world hold the key to understanding the delicate balance of our ecosystem. But what happens when this balance is disrupted, and the consequences are catastrophic? The world of close-up nature and macro wildlife is a complex tapestry, woven from threads of life and death. Every species plays a vital role in the grand symphony of life, and their disappearance can have devastating effects. Take the case of the monarch butterfly, whose decline has sent shockwaves through the ecosystem. Scientists discovered that a single species of butterfly can pollinate an entire forest, and its absence can lead to catastrophic consequences. But that's not the strangest part. The monarch butterfly's life cycle is a complex dance of migration and reproduction. Wait until you hear what comes next, as we delve into the world of insect communication and the secret language of the bees. And then something unexpected happened, as researchers discovered a new species of bee that defies all expectations. This phenomenon occurs when the natural world is pushed to its limits, and the boundaries between species are blurred. In the world of close-up nature, the line between predator and prey is constantly shifting, and the stakes are high. The struggle for survival is a constant theme in the microscopic world, where every creature must adapt to survive. But what happens when humans intervene, and the delicate balance of the ecosystem is disrupted? The impact is often catastrophic, as we see in the case of the honeybee, whose decline has sent shockwaves through the food chain. Every 3-4 years, a phenomenon known as colony collapse occurs, where entire bee colonies disappear overnight. But that's not the only consequence of human intervention. The world of close-up nature is also a world of breathtaking beauty. Imagine a crystal-clear lake, teeming with life, where every inch of water is home to a diverse array of aquatic species. This world is a treasure trove of scientific discovery, where every new species found is a reminder of the awe-inspiring complexity of life. And yet, this world is under threat, as human activities such as deforestation and pollution push species to the brink of extinction. The consequences are far-reaching, as we see in the case of the Amazon rainforest, whose loss could have devastating effects on the global climate. But there is hope, as scientists and conservationists work tirelessly to protect the natural world and preserve its beauty. The world of close-up nature and macro wildlife is a world of wonder and awe, where every species plays a vital role in the grand symphony of life. Every creature, no matter how small, is a thread in the intricate tapestry of life, and its disappearance can have devastating effects. So what can we do to protect this precious world and preserve its beauty for future generations? The answer lies in understanding the complex relationships between species and the delicate balance of the ecosystem. By studying the microscopic world, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the intricate web of life that binds us all together. Discovery, reminded of the where every new important set of species found is preserving the natural world for future reminder of the awe-inspiring generations, complexity of life. Wildlife, reminded of the where every new important set of species found is preserving the natural world for future reminder of the awe-inspiring generations. So join us on this journey of discovery as we delve into the world of close-up nature and macro wildlife. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our community of curious learners and nature enthusiasts. Let's explore the world of close-up nature and macro wildlife together, and discover the secrets hidden within the microscopic world. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our community of curious learners and nature enthusiasts.